Hey contractors, are you dreaming of bigger projects and more opportunities in North Dakota? Whether it's building homes, fixing what's broken, or tackling massive commercial jobs, the first step is getting the proper license. I'm Rosal with Contractors Liability, and today I'll guide you through the licensing process in North Dakota. So let's get started. In North Dakota, any construction projects exceeding $4,000 requires a contractor's license. Licenses are regulated by the North Dakota Secretary of State, so you'll need to ensure you're compliant with their rules to operate legally. First, you will need to determine your business registration. Now, depending on your structure, could be sole proprietorship, partnership, or even a corporation. You might need to register your trade or business name with the state. Then you will submit your contractor's license application through the First Stop portal. Be prepared to include proof of general liability insurance with the Secretary of State listed as the certificate holder, a certificate of compliance or good standing from the Workforce Safety and Insurance or WSI, especially if you have employees. The required license fee, which varies by project size, is Class A for projects over $500,000 per job with a $450 fee. Class B, jobs up to $500,000 with a $300 fee. Class C, jobs up to $300,000 with a $225 fee. And finally, Class D, jobs up to $100,000 with a $100 fee. Now let's talk about insurance. General liability insurance is mandatory, with coverage ranging from $500,000 to $1 million per occurrence. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance is also required, covering medical expenses and lost wages for job-related injuries. And don't forget about surety bonds. These are financial guarantees that ensure you'll fulfill your contractual obligations. Here is an example of an insurance certificate. This document proves your insurance, reassuring your clients that you're prepared and trustworthy, which helps you win more projects. Remember, North Dakota's contractors' licenses must be renewed annually by the 1st of March. Renewal requires submitting updated insurance certificates, a list of projects over $25,000, and confirmation of paid taxes and premiums. That's your roadmap to getting licensed in North Dakota. For more details, check out the full blog linked in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more contractors tips. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your projects in North Dakota.